We have?
That's it, yep. I think Martin Kenny, Deputy Kenny, he should be here shortly. But, yep.
There's erosion of your time there.
Yep, no problem. Look, it appears that Leona Hemsley, an American businesswoman, has been exonerated for saying of rich people, "We don't pay taxes, only the little people pay taxes." Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil appear to hold the same ideology as Hemsley. Look, without interruption here, obviously we've hit a very, very touchy point here. Why would multinationals choose anywhere else in the world other than Ireland when they can make €16 billion in 2011 and pay 50 million in tax, a rate of 0.05%? Then in 2014, pay a tax of 0.005% tax on all their profits. One group out there that do pay correct taxes year on year are the small and medium enterprises right across this entire state. Could they suit themselves and pay, say, 1% tax one year, 0.05% another, and then maybe 0.005 the next year? Absolutely not. Or is this just acceptable for the likes of Apple that we know of? There may be more multinationals out there that still have to come to light. A sweetheart deal for them, while small businesses right across this state are left to struggle and in many cases forced to close down because of increased costs and taxes. There are over 237,753 small and medium enterprises active in Ireland, with the CSO showing some 919,985 people employed by these businesses. In 2011 alone, at the height of the recession, 5 companies closed down every single day in Ireland. Imagine how these people must feel, owners of small and medium enterprises who have struggled to pay their taxes, but pay them because they had no choice. Paying 0.005% tax was simply not an option for them. So while Fianna Fáil, Fine Gael, Labour and a number of independents are busy standing up to Europe against the second wealthiest corporation in the world having to pay back unpaid taxes, what are you doing for the ordinary small business men and women right across this state? Those that have actually managed to stay open throughout the government's austerity agenda without any help. This revelation must really stick in the throats of small business owners struggling but paying their taxes and charges down to the last cent. And now we are being told that the 13 billion owed to the Irish people in unpaid taxes by Apple, a huge corporation, we simply don't want it. This indeed is a great country to do business in if you're a multinational company. In 1989, Leona Hemsley received 16 years in prison for a wide variety of tax offences, resulting in several $1 million owed. Here, we're not talking about millions, we're talking about billions. What we need is a tax regime which is transparent and fair for all. Gordon Malgut.
And Deputy Martin Kenny.
Thank you very much.